I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today let's look at Joy Global, Harman International, and Macy's. And we'll start off with Joy Global. Cramer was talking about this company last night on Mad Money. Has the stock gone down enough? I'm looking at this weekly chart and it doesn't look like it to me. Fundamentally, maybe it's looking ripe for the picking, but I see this. I see the stock rolling over. We've got a series of highs here, and we've also got that support line. This stock, again, to me, just looks like its better days are behind it. It's got more downside. That's really all I got to say. I wouldn't be buying it now. Now, what about Harman International? What about this stock? You know what? I think Tuesday's move here, this big high-volume sell-off, was a key test for the bulls. Stock fell down as low as 34 bucks. It was 34.08, but we're going to call it 34 bucks. This looks like some kind of a climax low, at least in a short-term basis. You can make this trade if you believe or agree with Cramer that this stock is due to go higher. Then keep your stop. Go ahead and buy the stock at 35.73, but just keep the stop just below Tuesday's intraday low, down around, I don't know, 33.90, something like that, and at least you've got a clearly defined risk. Me, I don't like to buy stocks that are printing lower highs and lower lows. I would at least prefer to wait for a test of this level here, see the stock start to move up. That's where I'd look to buy the stock. And finally, Macy's. Now, Karen Feinerman likes this company. She thinks fundamentally this is where you want to go. It's got a slew of tailwinds, not headwinds. Tailwinds. They got a nice dividend over 2%. They're probably taking share away from J.C. Penney's, but then who isn't? And cotton prices are going down. So those are her 3 main reasons for thinking that Macy's is something that you want to own. The only thing that I would say is, can't argue with Karen on the fundamentals. That's her deal, not mine. But technically, this stock looks very short-term oversold, like yesterday's move, high volume, big decline, back to test support. I would look for some kind of breakout, not a breakout, but I'd look for some kind of break higher, some kind of bounce off of this support level, but that's a bounce that I would want to sell into. This is a clear trend line break here. Very, very clear. In fact, I wrote an article on this in TheStreet.com's FitzBits article today, so you can check that out. But this is a clear trend line break, a move back, test of the 50-day moving average, which had been support here. Now it's resistance. Any kind of move back up to this level is a move that I would want to sell into, get off a short, and I think you're going to make some money. Okay, that's it for today. A couple things. First of all, get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? There's a lot of great writers over there. I publish articles 4 days a week with 5 charts a day. That's going to give you some good trades. Also, I want you to check out my chart of the day. It's a free service over at stockmarketmentor.com. I send you 1 charting video a day with a good trade. But also one other thing. Look, if you haven't taken advantage of my free 30-day trial, get over there right now and do that. Again, it's free. Like, in other words, there's really nothing to lose. When are you going to find that this day and age? So get over to stockmarketmentor.com. Take that free 30-day trial, and my bet is you're going to stick around. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll be right back here tomorrow.
This market is
Stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to